Good morning, people. It's what day is this? Saturday, and pretty late, I guess you would say, in the morning. It's about 6:45, I guess 6:45. So landfill opens at 7, so we're gonna try to get there as soon as we can. I'm headed to QT as always to get my morning coffee. Which is not really coffee, but yep, that's what we're going to be doing today, and we should get most of it hauled out today, unless there's any issues or something like that at the landfill. But yeah, we should be pretty good to get most of it hauled out today. So anyway, I will pick this up whenever we get on the road. I'm trying to it's still early, so my brain is still thinking, but anybody that knows me knows I don't really sleep well at night, if at all. So I've been up since I woke up at my alarm went off at 5 this morning, but I think I was up got at least once or twice every hour. So anyway, we're gonna get some work done and try to get this thing wrapped up, and we will reconvene, I guess is the word, at the end of the job, kind of show you what it all turned out to be like. And God, it's so early, it's cold too, but yeah, I'm hoping my coffee will wake me up, because I'm having serious thought problems right now, trying to figure out what the heck I'm actually thinking and trying to say what I'm thinking. So anyway, it is what it is. I'm not gonna park over there. I don't like parking over here because I have to back out. I usually try to park over here so I can just drive straight out. So anyway, I'm gonna run in here. I don't think anybody wants me holding a camera in their face while they're getting stuff from QT. So run in here and get that. We'll head to the landfill, and we will be back to the job site. So this is the end of Saturday. We got 5 loads to the dump ground, I think. We actually had to take one of them to McKinney, so we got 4 in Campbell, 1 in McKinney, but pile is getting smaller, and yep. And so far I still haven't hit that gas line, so that's good. But yep, looks totally different. It's a whole different feeling standing here and not seeing the old house here. So, but I was saying in an earlier segment of footage I recorded, which you probably won't hear because it'll probably be sped up, but I was telling my brother and my dad it's better that we tore it down than to have it have burnt down, because like I said, a lot of crackheads and stuff like that, people were coming up here stealing stuff, and who's to say one of them may have had a cigarette or something like that, dropped it and caught some of the papers on fire, and next thing you know the house burned down. So I was like, even though demolition is, it's destruction, and yet, you know, if you're emotional it can get to you, but it's controlled destruction, I guess you would call it. So I was like, I'm glad we took it down, and not the city for one, but I'm glad we were able to get to it before somebody burnt it down, because, you know, if people keep coming in and out, crackheads, it's just a matter of time before somebody drops something, or, you know, sometimes you get bored people that'll just intentionally set something on fire just because they, you know, want to see something happen. So that would have been a little bit more devastating than tearing it down. But, you know, like I said, I'm not really emotional, but I do, you know, kind of feel something. Like I said, it does feel different now when I drive by here and see that my old house is gone. But, you know, I guess life is about change, and sometimes it's good to let go of the things in the past and look forward to a new future. So we don't know if we're gonna rebuild here or not, but I guess we'll just have to see what happens. But anyway, I think we got maybe 2.5 to 3 more dumpster load, or dump trailer loads, and then I'll come through and kind of smooth all this stuff out. And it's so chunky and muddy. This yard stays really wet, but I'll come through, smooth everything out as best I can, and make it look a little bit more presentable, and then that'll be a wrap. We'll call it a job well done. Well, I don't know if you call it well done. It'll be job done, because it's my dad's property. He told me that I don't have to use the exact same standard for cleaning jobs that I do when they're for other clients, because, you know, other clients I will go through and it'll be almost just pure dirt if I can help it, smoothed out, tracked in, and stuff like that. But 2 issues with this: 1, it's muddy, and 2, he's like, you know, don't have to worry about all that right now because it's my property. So, but that being said, I'm still going to take the time to do something, and I don't want it to just look like butt when I'm done. So I'm gonna take a little time and do what I gotta do, and that'll be that. So that's all for this one until Monday. Today's Saturday, so landfill's closed on Sunday, so until Monday.